In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a parent row in Smartsheet step by step. If you're new to Smartsheet or just getting comfortable with organizing your projects, this quick tutorial will show you how to set up a clear parent-child structure so your tasks stay organized and easy to manage. I'm working on a brand new sheet already titled for this tutorial, but you can use any sheet you like. On your sheet, make sure you have your column headers in place, then move to the second row. In that row, type a main item that will serve as your parent. Think of this as the overarching category or phase, like a project milestone or a deliverable. This parent doesn't need any special formatting yet, just a clear name so you know what it represents. Next, add a few rows directly underneath the parent. These will become the child rows. Type in your child items, something like child 1, child 2, and child 3 works for this example. These represent the individual tasks or sub-items that roll up under the parent. Keep them directly below the parent so the hierarchy is easy to build. Once your child rows are in place, highlight them. The quickest way is to select along the left edge of the sheet where the row numbers are, click and drag to select the child rows together, or use a shift click to select a range. With those child rows highlighted, click the indent button on the toolbar. As soon as you indent, you'll notice a visual indicator appear along the left side of the sheet, and the child rows shift slightly to the right. This confirms you've successfully created a parent row with its children nested underneath. Now look to the left of your parent row. You'll see a small arrow or toggle. Click it to collapse the child rows, and click again to expand them. This is the core of the parent-child relationship in Smartsheet. Collapsing helps you stay focused and navigate large sheets, while expanding brings the details back when you need them. It's a simple structure that makes reporting, grouping, and reviewing progress much easier. If something doesn't look right, don't worry. You can always select a child row and use the Outdent button to move it back to the parent level, then try again. With just a few clicks, you can organize even complex projects into clear, manageable sections. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in